Okay, so the other day we got the hood off and the gas tank and whatnot. Took the exhaust manifold off after I got an 11/16 deep well socket to finally do that. And now I'm working on the header. A couple of the bolts came out while we were taking the nuts off, but that's alright. I noticed that the header has a lot of rust inside of it. Not that I care too much about that, because I already feel like I'll probably replace the header, assuming it'll be cracked or something along those lines. Just hoping the block is good. Today, hope to take the generator off, and then the fan, and then probably the governor as well. And then, if I have time, I'm going to try to get the steering wheel off, but that's proven to be somewhat difficult. And then maybe the battery box and the dash panel and whatnot. These guys here, the rear fenders, they are mounted in there a really weird way, so I know that will be a lot tougher than I kind of figured it would be, but no big deal. So I'm back to work on this header.